feel like things are, finally kind of starting to look up with Chris and Ed and Coach Killam here?
Absolutely,
Yeah.
because they finally brought in people that brought the culture back.
Yeah.
I mean, the Eskimo way was dead,
Yeah.
stomped to the ground and buried, and now
It
they
was almost shamed.
yeah.
Oh,
You
yeah,
know,
for
the
sure.
Eskimo way was something of deep pride,
Mhm.
and you were looked at as like taboo for being a part of that, associated with
Mhm.
that. It's not right.
And now it seems like, they brought in guys back who get it. I mean, Keelan never played here, but he has that pride in football and he gets it.
Mhm.
He played at U of A. But even him, like, he was in Calgary for a long time and they got maybe not in the city, but that team has a good culture.
Oh, he understands
And he
that.
understands the way. And obviously, having Ed back and the president there, like, they get Chris, they get it. They get the Eskimo way. And you could see it. I mean, obviously, once they pushed out the quarterback there and put Fajardo in.
Yeah.
Then the team came to life, right?
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah.
True.
They
And the
did.
defense came.
Yeah.
Defense showed up.
Defense
Yeah.
started playing.
Mhm.